Yo, it's Monday, guys, and I'm just waking up, right? So now I'm going to be preparing to go to the office right now, and meanwhile, I'm going to be continuing the FTMO free trial that I started last week, Friday. So I'm going to be continuing that episode, right? So stay tuned, guys. Meanwhile, I'm getting dressed for work, and I'm going to be looking at the charts to see if I can get opportunity. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I just got to the shop now, so I'm going to be looking at my chart now to see if I will get any opportunity. Alright, meanwhile, if you've been following, you know I took loss on Friday, so I'm looking for a trade, risking 2% today, and see how that trade is going to play. Alright, without wasting much of the time, let's dive to the chart. Alright, here's my go chart, and as you can see, it's the 1 hour time frame, right? So let me switch to the 15-minute time frame quickly. Here's the chart, and as you can see, it looks as if I'm currently in a trade, but no, I was anticipating sales, right? From Friday, I analyzed the market and I plot out this zone that gold is going to read that zone and react from it, and as you can see, exactly what I was anticipating happened, right? So this morning I also anticipated this second zone. If I am to enter the trade, it's going to drop from there, and exactly what I anticipated happened, right? So meanwhile, I'm waiting for New York session before I will trade, right? So right now I'm going to be looking for setup during the New York session, right? So right now, this is what I'm anticipating. I'm going to delete these levels right now. Let me delete so I will not be confused, right? This level has already been used, right? And this level has not been used, though price might still come back to this level in the future. But meanwhile, I'm looking at the most recent zones right now. So now I'm anticipating for price to go back to this zone, tap in this zone, and continue the drop, right? This is what I'm anticipating right now. So I'm just going to wait patiently for price to get to that level, and once price reacts to that level, I'm going to be going in, right? I'm going to be selling gold from that zone, right? So anything can happen. Let me give another scenario which can actually happen, right? Price might not go up there, price might just come down to break this zone right here. As you can see, price might just from here break below and come back to retest, right? Probably I'm going to be looking for entry around this zone, right? So price might do something like this, break below, right? Price might just break below, come back to retest this level, right? So as you can see, this is what I'm anticipating right now. Is that price go back up to retest this level right here, or price come down, break below, and come back to retest this level around somewhere here, right? So I'm just going to be waiting patiently and see what price does, right? If price did not break this support zone right here, so I'll be looking for short entry from the top of this zone, right? I'll be looking for short entry at the top right here. So if price happens to break below before the New York session, I'll be looking for entry around this zone right here to go short. So let's just see how it's gonna play, and I'll wait patiently and see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, here is my gold chart, and as you can see, I'm anticipating sales right from that zone right there, and as you can see, price has almost reached that level, but it seems it wants to start dropping, but I think it's gonna reach that level, right? Meanwhile, I've set my order already. Let me show you guys. My order is set already. You can see the sell limit order, right? I'm risking $4,000, which is 2% on this account, $3,996, right? Approximately $4,000, right? So I will be targeting 10 $3,000, right, which is 2.5%. So I'm just going to wait patiently and see how this trade is going to play. Alright guys, come look at this. As you can see, I was waiting for price to get to this level right here so I can short, right? As you all know, I already set my limit order, right, the sell limit. But as you can see, price is not going to reach that zone anymore. From what I'm seeing, price has already shifted from bullish structure to bearish structure, right? So right now I'm just going to be waiting for pullback into this particular zone right here. I'm waiting for pullback into this particular zone right here. Now I'm just going to wait for that patiently, and then I'm going in. In fact, I'm setting my limit order right now. Okay, I'm going to be setting my limit order now, and I will be deleting this right now. I'll be deleting this. Now let me show you the zone price reacted to. Price just reacted to this zone right now. So that's it. Price just reacted to that zone right now. So it just shifted structure, and I'm going to be entering for sales on gold right now. As you can see, that's where I'm going to be entering for sales, right? So stay tuned. I will set my limit order now. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here's what happened. While trying to set my limit order, price got to that zone quickly, and what I did was I wanted to enter this position manually, right? So I increased my lot size because it's kind of I calculated my risks and found out that I have to increase my lot size, so I used 4.5, right? But trying to click sell, I clicked sell 2 times, right? Which now I'm risking higher than my initial risk. I was supposed to risk 2% on this account, right? 2% on this account. As you can see, now I'm risking almost 2.5% right now. And as you can see, it's 2 position, right? It's 2 position, so I'm risking 2.5. let's just say 2.5 right now. So let's see how it's going to play. Hopefully it's going to be a good trade. Well, I'm just going to watch and let's see how it's going to play, guys. Let's see how it's going to play. If it happens to be a winning trade, I guess it's going to pass this account. Alright guys, it's currently past 10, right? And I'm back home, so I decided to update you guys on the trade I took earlier today, which results to lost, guys. I lost this trade, and as you can see, here is it, right? I lost the trade in gold, and as you all know, I risked almost 2.5%. Let's just say 2.5%, right, on this trade, right, which was about $3,000. So let me quickly show you on my MT5. As you can see right here, this is it. I entered 2 position mistakenly, which result to me risking 2.5%, which is $5,000. As you can see, 2,400, 2,500, or it's almost $3,000. Just minimum, just close to $3,000. Yeah, almost. Just little dollars that's remaining for it to reach $3,000, right? So in total, I've risked about 4%, or let's say 5% on this account, right? The first day I risked 2%. That's today is the second day, which is 2.5%. So in total, I've risked 4.5% on this account, right? Which results to almost $9,000. Let's just say approximately $9,000. I've risked $9,000 on this account. So it is what it is. Just 2 trades, right? So tomorrow is another day, and I'm going to be taking another trade. So let's see how it's going to play. Meanwhile, I'm going to be ending this video here today, and tomorrow I'm going to continue the video, and that will be another video. All right, stay tuned, guys, and peace.